Hello, in this video I'll show you how to create a crew logo in Blox root on Roblox. First, let's open up Google and then the Roblox website. Go to the top of your screen and click on Create. It'll take you here. Now press on Dashboard on the top left. When you're here, go to the Developments tab. Now go to Uploads and click on Decals. Here you can upload your own flag. Click on Uploads and select your logo. For example, let me just click on this. As you can see, I've selected this as my flag. You can rename or add a description or do whatever you want. Once you're done, just press on Upload. But if you want to use a pre-made Roblox decal, go to Marketplace and click on Images and search for the image that you want as your logo. For example, I'll look for Zorro. I like this one, so I'll click on it. And on the top right side, click on Get Decal. Now, go back to your Roblox page and go to Inventory. Look for decals. Find your decal and copy the link. Come back to your Roblox player and right here, paste your link. Click on Create and it should be done. It should show your new flag or logo on the top left-hand side. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more gaming tips.